The COVID-19 pandemic has changed a lot of people's plans and expectations with starting a business. While many people's instinct might be to put their grand ideas on hold, it might just be a good time to finally take action on your dreams. If you're one of those go-getters, stay tuned, since we've got several essential tips to starting your business the right way. Start with why. When you think, why do I want to start my own business? Sit down and think about why you really want to create your new company. Write down all of your reasons for creating your startup and all the values that you want it to represent. Use these as your North Star and you'll always find success. Understand the landscape. Things have changed during the pandemic. Starting a venture now isn't the same as it was even a year ago. Remote work, for example, is changing the very nature of how businesses operate. Write down, when I start my own business, I might face these challenges, and come up with a way to overcome them and face up to our changed reality. Secure funding. Check out what loans or grants are available for small businesses like yours. There could be federal, local, state, and private options. If you go with venture capitalist funding or angel investors, see what metrics they're looking for. That way you can decide how to make investing in your idea appealing to them, and also decide if they'd be a good fit for your startup. Reduce waste. Go over all of your processes with a fine-tooth comb. Is there anything you can streamline, combine, or eliminate? You might find that not only will you get rid of inefficient processes, but you can also make things easier on yourself. Build your brand. To make an impression on any potential customer, you need to get your branding right the first time. The things you need to consider include brand colors, logo, and any keywords you want to be associated with your goods or services. Certain colors or fonts elicit different reactions from your customers, so do your homework and get it right. Invest in social. Not all social media platforms are created equal. Run an analysis as to which platforms your customers are most likely to be on when starting your own business online. After deciding which platforms have the best chance of reaching the right people, maintain a consistent presence online and don't focus on selling. Offer content that entertains. Give customers a why. A customer's why for going with you versus your competitors involves what you have to offer. Why is your product or service better than any of the others? The thing is, priorities have changed after COVID-19. Always test out different ad campaigns and go over the analytics to gain better insight into your customers' actions. Use what you learn to tailor your business to better suit them and give them the why they need to spend their money on you. Starting your own business at any time can be anxiety-inducing. With the pandemic, you have a few more bumps in the road than usual. Don't let these challenges deter you. Your dream of starting a business can still happen, even during this unprecedented pandemic. You don't have to do it alone. There are tools you can use to make things easier on yourself that allow you to pour your energy into your startup, and we're here to help. Check out how easy it is to generate the pay stubs you need for you and your employees. Simply fill in one of our easy-to-use pay stub templates and begin streamlining your payroll process just like that. Thanks for watching, and remember to comment and subscribe to our channel. Also, visit our website, thepaystubs.com, and create your own pay stubs today.